How can I safely and effectively stick Christmas lights to brick?
Hello everyone! As the festive season approaches, you might be looking for ways to brighten up your home with some Christmas lights. One common challenge we often face is sticking these lights onto brick walls. Today, we're going to discuss safe and effective methods to stick Christmas lights to brick.
What will you need?
The first step to successfully adhering Christmas lights to brick is making sure you have the right tools. You'll need brick clips. These are designed to clutch onto the brick without damaging it. Outdoor Christmas lights. Ensure they're suitable for outdoor use if you're decorating the exterior of your house. An extension ladder, for safely reaching higher spots. Safety gear, such as gloves and safety goggles.
How to use brick clips.
So, how do we use these brick clips? Let's walk through it. 1. Position the brick clip. Hold the brick clip against the brick you want to hang the lights from, ensuring that the bottom edge of the clip aligns with the bottom edge of the brick. 2. Snap the clip onto the brick. Apply upward pressure and the clip will snap onto the brick. The teeth of the clip should be gripping the brick. 3. Hang the lights. Now, you can attach the string lights to the hook of the brick clip. Remember to distribute the weight evenly across multiple clips to ensure the safety and longevity of your decorations.
What about safety?
When decorating, safety is always a priority. Here are a few reminders. Always wear safety gear when working, especially when you're using a ladder. Check your lights before you hang them. Make sure they're working and the wires are not frayed or damaged. Don't overload circuits with too many lights. Turn off and unplug your lights when they're not in use, or if you're going out or going to bed. There you have it. By using brick clips and following these simple steps, you can safely and effectively stick Christmas lights to your brick walls. Always remember, safety comes first, so take your time and ensure everything is secure. We hope you found this tutorial helpful, and wish you a bright and sparkling festive season.